Thank you for having faith in us. Thank you for having faith in Canada and for having faith in our ability to welcome people from all over the world. But I want to take a quick moment before I leave to say two things. Number one, Pakistan has been through an amazing election. And I listened to the new Prime Minister's speech. And when I listened to the speech, let me finish. It gets better. I didn't just listen to his video footage. I actually stopped and I went and read the transcript of his speech because I wanted to see each and every word that he used. And every single message that he portrayed in that speech, we in Canada agree with. Better government. Better government, making sure that public service is about serving the people, making sure that government institutions are strengthened to fight corruption, making sure that Pakistan is open for investment, and making sure that we have peace in the region. Who can disagree with me? And I can assure you that as a trading nation, Canada is always looking for markets, new markets to trade, and making sure that Canada's trading relationship with countries like Pakistan is not a race to the bottom, but a march to the top, so that both Finally, before I end, I want to pay a special tribute to Pakistani Canadians. We in Canada value diversity. And I can tell you, as Minister of Immigration, Prime Minister Justin Trudeau says that in Canada, diversity is our strength. And I can tell you, as part of that diversity, Pakistani Canadians have, continued to, and will make amazing contributions to this country. Pakistan Zindabad!
Pakistan Zindabad!